guys, it is me, Sudsy Gaming, and today we're going to be playing some more Dead Trigger. Yes, I just got the daily reward before I started the video, so I guess we'll start off with my video with some casino chips. Come on, give me something good. Oh, nice. $1,300. That's actually pretty good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, $650. Come on, all sevens. Bar? Okay. Cancel. Alright, it's not all bad. I still don't even know. Oh, gold is G. That makes sense. Alright, so we're gonna do a main quest to start off here. Play. And last round, as you guys knew from last video, I figured out how to get this gun and the awful pistol. So it's like, I want to start off by using the pistol, because actually no, for this I think I should use this. Okay. Alright, so what is the mission here? Turn that volume down a little too loud. Alright. Find Rockstock's crate with whiskey. Alright, fair enough. Jeez. I got overloaded there for a second. Okay. Find Rockstock's crate with whiskey. So Rockstock wants his whiskey, eh? I'll give him his whiskey. Alright. So I'll make sure not to accidentally place a turret like I did last video. Do I go this way? No. I go this way. Since where the zombies are, I take it this is the way I go. Blam. Bam. Alright. Okay, I'm running low on ammo. No zombies have given me ammo yet. Come on. Oh, there's some ammo. Need to use my ammo wisely here. Okay, I'll give one piece of ammo to my pistol. I'll give the rest to my scorpion. There we go. Doors are open. Area expanded. Alrighty. Time to pull out the scorpion. More ammo there. Alright. Let's keep going. More ammo. Oh, I ran out of ammo on this? Oh, dang it. It means I'm kind of stuck with my pistol then. Next time ammo comes out. Man. Used to be getting all sorts of ammo. Ow! Oh, God. Okay. So I gotta go this way. I just need some ammo. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going the right way. Okay, I'm supposed to be, like, below me where I am. I'm supposed to be, like, below where I am. Oh, God. Step off. All the zombies are coming for me, and I guess I'll just kill these guys real quick. Okay, give me more ammo. Okay. Oh my gosh, they just keep coming. Go. Oh, wait, okay. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. I need some more ammo for this. So that's why this is. I need a pistol and that because my scorpion runs out of ammo fast. Where am I supposed to be going here? I'm just trying to get rid of all these zombies so they don't get me out of nowhere. Cause oh yeah, there's the box right there. So I need to grab that box. Now I gotta go back to the collection point while avoiding all the zombies. I can get back before they catch up to me. Which way? I'm gonna go this way. Oh no, this way. I don't know. Oh, I'm on the wrong floor. Sort of. Go away. Alright, so the zombies just keep respawning, so there's no point in killing them. I'll just get back to what I'm doing here. So I think I'm supposed to go this way, and then this way, and then left, and left again, and then this should be where I spawned. It is. Boom, mission success. Like a boss. Is there an end to this game? Like, is there really an end to this game? Probably is. There has to be somewhere. You return everything to its rightful owner, Rockstock. You're unbelievable. I thought I'd never see these things again. With tears in his eyes, he shows you photos of his family, all of them now dead. Rockstock kills half the bottle with you. Kills half the bottle with you. Next stop, New Hope. Alright. Alright, New Hope. Now what? There's 2 skulls and a shield. So I think I'm going to do one of the skulls. The one that has 2 skulls. Kill all infected. So I just gotta kill things. This time I actually can waste my time killing stuff. Well, it's the same map. I'm supposed to go up here this time. Never mind. Oh, I'm only allowed to be in this one area. Alright, so there's 46 left. Alright. This. Ow. Jeez. Ow. Yeah, is that all you got? I got 26 bucks is what I got. So he's mugging the zombies and asking, is $27 all you got? Alrighty. I'm out of ammo. Ow. Ammo. More zombies. Alright. I need more ammo for the scorpion. I don't need ammo for this. Ow. And I also need to pay closer attention to my radar. Zombies keep sneaking up on me and my health isn't doing so good. Oh, I was expecting him to die. Well, guys, get a close-up view of a zombie. Isn't that nice? And looks like I checked my radar. Got one guy following me up here. Got a couple more guys following me up here. Kill them all. There's only 2 left, so I'll just use this because why not? And down for the counting with the headshot. Yes. Nope, you ain't getting on my side. Noise, get wrecked, zombies. Now I win and you lose, and now you're gonna get a break bruise because I'm gonna shoot you in the face. So I think we're actually gonna be doing the gift box now. Collect cargo. Ooh, an extra reward. I want that. Helicopter dropped crates on different places. Find them all and prepare them for pickup. Be careful, area is crawling with infected. Alright, let's do this. Alright, Alright, let's see what we got going. We got 4 boxes to find. Pull out the Colt. And get ready for impact. I'll just stay away from confrontation as much as I can. What are those white dots? Okay. I don't know what the white dots mean. Oh, there's a box. I'm blind. Bloop. Now I have to go back to the collection point. Which is right there. Find and carry other 3 boxes. Okay. So now I need to get ouch. Ouch. Place a turret there. What? The box is like right there. How do I get there though? Well, there's the box. But I'm about to die. Okay, I just need to avoid the zombies as much as I can. You have reached rank 5. Nice. Hope my turret helps. The turret helps a lot with this one. Okay, now I have to find 2 more boxes. And looks like one spawned right here. My turret just blew up. Which is not good, because I just got hit again. Come on. My health. Okay, I only need 1 more box. 1 more. Okay. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Come on. Now for this. I'm just gonna go through the collection point. Come on. No. Yeah. Mission success. Whew. Oh my god, I almost died. Hey, at least I didn't. Nice. I got quite a bit of stuff. Favorite weapon, favorite item. Let's continue on our mission. Yeah, we got a turret. That's pretty nice. Special reward was a turret. Julian, glad you're alive. We just lost several members on a supply run, and we're running low on almost everything. There's a place with supplies I want you to hit. We repaired the van. It ain't a tank, but it can move cargo. Alrighty, let's continue on here. We have another main quest. There's another zombie survival. There's a zombie thing back here. There's a defense. There's whatever that means. And then there's another main quest. I'm gonna go about the main quest. Alright. I really do need a new gun. Let's see what the shop has for me. Oh, I have enough for the chainsaw. I can get this, and I can get the chainsaw. I think I'm gonna go with the chainsaw. Yeah, chainsaw. Alright, now we have a chainsaw. I am going to equip that chainsaw. And I'm gonna make it the chainsaw and the scorpion. Equip. Alright, and And I'm gonna go back. Go to the main quest. Alright. Got a chainsaw. Let's see how good this thing works. Ah, this is fun. Boom! Boom! So this is good for big areas of zombies. Alright. Back to what I was doing. Okay, here's where I'm supposed to go. There's the box. Drop box next to van. Get some more money. Okay. Okay, now I gotta get a lot of boxes here. So I should probably save the I should probably save the chainsaw. Boom. Okay, 3 other boxes. Okay. There's another one. Ah! Okay, back to the checkpoint, back to the checkpoint, back to the checkpoint, back to the checkpoint. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this weapon, just don't shoot it from far away, because then you'll just waste your ammo. Pick up that box. Waste my chainsaw ammo, because this thing's so much fun to use. Poof. Okay, I need one more box. Can't touch this. Hey, this is gonna be easy. Might as well just go rampage on stuff, because why not? Achievement unlocked. I'm gonna wait for them to crawl out of their little hut, and then I'll start stabbing their faces off. That was gross. Yeah, boy. Yes. 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 Okay, that's enough. Back to what I was doing. Okay, that's the last one. Nice, guys. That chainsaw is overpowered. Good thing I got that instead of that shotgun. Even though the shotgun was recommended, the chainsaw is just so much fun to use, and it's so overpowered. This is gonna be easy. Okay, die, zombie, die. You've secured several first aid kits and experimental drugs. How convenient. But the infected have located you. Fight them off. Nice, guys. Time to take our chainsaw to the real test. Let's do this. I only got 30 zombies to kill. It's gonna be easy. Okay, I should probably be a little bit more protective here. Chainsaw! Go! Die. Chainsaw power. Activate. Chainsaw power. Ain't no one got time for guns. Just use chainsaws. Wow, I am really just wrecking these zombies here. Anyone else want some of my chainsaw? Ooh, I get to go in a new area. I think. You. Hey. Where's the party? Found it. don't even need a gun. This thing takes forever to run out of gas. Plus, if I keep getting ammo, more and more ammo, this thing will like never run out. Nice, guys. That was pretty easy. Well, I got a nice amount of money. Alright, let's see what else I can do here with my chainsaw. What does this mean? Survive the attack. Infected have invaded our hideout. We must stop them at all costs. Alright, yes. Okay. Alright, let's do that. Play. I think this might be the last thing we're doing for this video. Objective, defend your position for 190 seconds. So, pretty much 3 minutes. With my chainsaw. 3 minutes of chainsaw action. Ooh, that guy just jumped over. Like, that guy just also jumped over. Vroom, vroom. Alright. I just have to make sure no one gets to my corner. Not too hard. Just gotta make sure my chainsaw doesn't run out of ammo. Nope. Nope. Haven't even pulled out the gun yet. No. My corner. You stay out of my corner. Headshot. Arm out, arm out. You got $26. Dun 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 dun. Vroom, vroom. Nice, guys. We did it in one attempt. We only got hit like 3-4 times. I think it was like 3. But I'll call that a pretty good run. I love this chainsaw. It is so strong. No, I pretty much do not want the Colt M4. So guys, we're gonna actually leave this video here. I hope you all enjoyed watching me Shrek some zombies with a chainsaw. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!